What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up and use Trojan Solana bot. Now to do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. These bots nowadays are very common in the market, and if you guys don't use them you'll be left behind. And to start using this bot, we'll head over to Telegram and make sure you guys use the right bot. I'll provide a link in description of this bot as well. To avoid scam bots, you need to choose the correct one. So we'll hit the start button right here, and once we hit it, here you'll see this kind of interface options given to you guys. Now to use this bot, this is our wallet address provided to us by Trojan, and this is our current balance available in this wallet. Now we need to deposit some Solana in this wallet in order to start using this Trojan bot. I have created a whole another video where I'll show you how to deposit Solana on your Trojan's wallet, and we can hit this refresh button in order to update our balance. And once we are done with that, we have completed the first step, and the next step is heading back and opening up settings right here. Click on settings, and now here the first thing that you will see is this fast and turbo. This actually refers to your priority fee, and we'll set it to turbo right here. You can head over to buy settings also, and here you will find this buy slippage option, which you can edit by clicking on it. You can simply enter the amount of slippage amount that you prefer, for example 5, and it will simply update it right here. And there are also presets, buying presets right here that you can edit. For example 0.5, 1 sol. We can change their value by simply clicking on them. For example here 0.01, and now it will quickly change to 0.01. That's how you can edit these by settings. Similarly, you can head over to the sell options where you can do the same. And you might want to look at some other options as well. If you head back to settings, there is this map protection, which allows you to have protected transactions, but it will make them slower. Similarly, there is auto buy and auto sell. Now this auto buy features allow you to auto buy a token according to a set amount, but you have to paste a contract address of the token right here. Similarly, there is auto sell. And moving further, we have this confirm trades option, sell protection option. You can have details of these by swiping up. Well, these are all for just for your protection, protected transactions. Coming back to the main interface, now there are other couple of options like limit orders, DCA orders, copy trade. We don't have any active limit order right now. And well, the purpose of telling you that is these are all different topics covered in a whole another video. You guys can go and check these out where I'll show you in detail how to use them, how to snipe, how to copy trade, how to set limit orders. Well, with that, this video comes to an end. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.